Hello everyone, hello, it's your girl Lady Jill. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, I want to talk about one story wey happen. This story really pain me, really touched me well. I say, that is it really like touched me. So this story goes like this, my people. This husband and wife, they don't dey since. They don't dey look for pikin for long time now. They look for pikin, that they pray, may God help them. Pikin no gree come. Say this belly of a thing, sometimes if you put mind there, they come. Now when you remove your mind, now this thing go, now they come, you understand? So she really put her mind there, say this make him get belle, but belle no gree come. So she don't see the come of age, then she can't hear one gist for Naija. What they say that they do now, say somebody go fit carry belle for you go born the pikin, or those girls will be say they'll get belle, they look for one they look for one they'll born the pikin, then they'll come give a person where they look for pikin. Maybe they don't plan am, so that person born am, like all those girls where they carry belle now, they don't know who give them. So they'll go born the pikin, they'll go sell them. They say that they reign now for Nigeria, for many places now. They say that they reign for Africans now, But they say don't tell me that they do am mommy, and then queen know my people, and I me even they know all those kind of things now. Say social media and world now we dey now, so everything now they happen. So this woman, they say if the person don't get the belle, the way they do the thing, if the person don't get the belle for Nigeria, or you want to go pump your belly, say you get belly. They say that they rain now. This woman not come pump her belly, so people come say she really get belly. So when she want come born the pikin, he say he want go Nigeria go born. My people, I tell people come surprise. That person where they Europe go say want go Nigeria go born pikin. And this is not even people where they Nigeria the fans they want to come Europe come born. We work on day Europe, they want to go Nigeria, go they born. This gonna surprise me, Now this our sister, she can't go Nigeria, say want go born the pikin, because that girl now want born the pikin now make it give her. Now not even ask her that they do am, she can't go. She reach Nigeria now, another wahala. Now she can't go put herself. You can't carry the pikin. As they come now for airport for Nigeria, they can't catch am. Say this baby. When they come, they don't see you with a baby. They only know say belle. I come, and then I set up. Nobody can't know. They can't know. Say don't she get the pikin. So they come. They accuse her now of kidnapping. They come arrest her. This woman come dey prison. They cry there. They cry in pains. She did there. They cry now. Now she come. From there now, this woman come, I don't know why they say something, take kill herself for inside prison there. This woman can't just kill herself for inside prison. The thing there, it just tire me when I just see her. I say, my people, she for kill herself. But I'm waiting you wait the watch me now. Waiting I want to ask now. He really wants say make she kill herself. She kill herself now because say she dey shame, or maybe people no laugh all those things. Maybe all those kind of things now she dey shame, like she now don't go like because people for Europe now they feel say she dey bring pikin. Now they come hear all those things. Now make her come kill herself. For me, she for not kill herself. It's not the end of the world. They will for still release you for that Nigeria day. You understand? She just can't either frustrate now that this woman just kill herself inside prison there. The thing just tire me when I hear her. I really feel pains for this woman. The thing really pain me. They say that in the rain now, that they do now for Nigeria. I don't understand though, my people. Say somebody go born pikin give person. Me, I not know. They say that in the rain now. for Naija there. So the thing now, it just really pay me, you know, when I just hear around, I say, I just tell my people, if you get that kind of plan, say you want to go do one, I bet ask before you go do one more. Ask me, you not go enter one chance. So the way this our sister they enter one chance now. Not go enter one chance. So I just now shame now. I make her now go kill herself now. She the shame. Maybe because they go say which people they look her now. Now make she go kill herself. Now for me, if you not kill herself, but the deed has already been done. So what we go do, my people? But you, where they watch me now, if you know, say you get that kind of plan to go do that kind of thing, I beg. Ask before you go do am. You're not gonna put yourself on one chance. Ask, because me, I never see this kind of thing before. May God, I beg, and they pray every day, make it give people. We never born pikin before, may they carry am. People where they look for pikin, may God bless all of them with pikin. Sometimes impatience na the warriors. Not be woman born at the age of 62 years, people 52 years, 53, 50. You know, God, they look everybody at. He must give you pikin at the right time. If you understand, he must give you. He not say anybody go dey barren for this world. No, everybody we must born pikin. You know, but just get patient. Pray to God. God will do one for you. Because supposedly this woman get faith, saying go fit carry belly. If you not go do this thing, what she go do so? You understand me, my people? So I beg, make we they ask me, they know something first. What we go do am? Know the repercussion we go day later before we go they do something, my people. I beg. On this short video, I say make I do. I say I hear them. I say I see shook my mouth put. You know, because some people now see day now we want go do am. So if you know, say you get that kind of plan to go do am, my dear, quit So that's why I talk and reach. So thank you everybody and take care. Until I come your way next time, I remain Lady J. So if you see this video, share it for me. Share this video and share it so that make everybody see them. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. I remain one and only Lady J. So bye.